Principles of inheritance and variation. Genetics. Genetics is a branch of biology which deals with principles of inheritance and its practices. Progeny, resembling the parents in morphological and physiological features, has attracted the attention of many biologists. Mendel was the first to study this phenomena systematically. While studying the pattern of inheritance in pea plants of contrasting characters, Mendel proposed the principle of inheritance, which are today referred to as Mendel's laws of inheritance. He proposed that the factors, later named as genes, regulating the characters are found in pairs known as alleles. He observed that the expression of the characters in the offspring follow a definite pattern in different first generations and second generation and so on, that he named as F1 and F2 filial generation. Some characters are dominant over others. The dominant characters are expressed when factors are in heterozygous condition, that is, law of dominance. The recessive characters are only expressed in homozygous conditions. The characters never blend in heterozygous condition. A recessive character that was not expressed in heterozygous condition may be expressed again when it becomes homozygous. Hence, characters segregate while formation of gametes, that is, law of segregation. Not all characters show true dominance. Some characters show incomplete and some show codominance. When Mendel studies the inheritance of two characters together, he was found that the factors independently assorted and combined in all permutations and combinations. He named it the law of independent assortment. Different combinations of gametes are theoretically represented in a square tabular form known as Punnett square. The factors, now known as genes, are chromosomes regulating the characters are called genotype, and the physical expression of characters is called phenotype. After knowing that the genes are located on the chromosome, a good correlation was drawn between Mendel's laws, segregation and assortment of chromosome during meiosis. The Mendel's laws were extended in the form of chromosomal theory of inheritance. Later, it was found that Mendel's law of independent assortment does not hold true for the genes that were located on same chromosomes. Genes were called as linked genes. Closely located genes assorted together and distinctly located genes due to recombination and assorted independently. Linkage maps, therefore, corresponded to arrangement of genes on a chromosome. Many genes were linked to sexes also and called as sex-linked genes. The two sexes, male and female, were found to have a set of chromosomes which were common and another set which was different. The chromosomes which were different in two sexes were named as sex chromosome. The remaining set, which was common in both male and female, was named as autosomes. In humans, a normal female has 22 pair of autosomes and a pair of sex chromosomes XX. A male has 22 pair of autosomes and a pair of sex chromosomes as XY. In chicken, sex chromosome in male are ZZ, that is homologous, and in females are ZW, that is heterozygous. Mutation. Mutation is defined as change in the genetic material. A point mutation is a change of single base pair in DNA. Sickle cell anemia is caused due to change of one base pair in gene coding for beta chain of hemoglobin. Inheritable mutations can be studied by generating a pedigree of a family. Some mutations involve changes in whole set of chromosomes, polyploidy, or change in a subset of chromosome number, that is aneuploidy. This helped in understanding the mutational basis of genetic disorders. Down syndrome is due to trisomy of chromosome 21st, where there is an extra copy of chromosome 21 and consequently the total number of chromosomes becomes 47. In Turner syndrome, one X chromosome is missing and the sex chromosome is as XO. And in Klinefelter syndrome, the condition is XXY. These can be easily studied by analysis of karyotypes. Thank you.